A recent Ukrainian report claims that Russian-operated Shahed drones, shot down during combat, were found equipped with Starlink systems, raising concerns about the military use of civilian technology. The report suggests that a Shahed-136 drone, developed in Iran and used by Russia, was fitted with a Starlink terminal. If true, this would give the drone a significant advantage, allowing for real-time control and improved reconnaissance capabilities. While these claims are yet to be confirmed, they have already sparked debate about the role of satellite communication in Russia's drone operations and its potential impact on modern warfare. Starlink, created by Elon Musk's SpaceX, is designed to provide global internet access, particularly in remote areas. If Russian forces are tapping into this technology, it would enable them to bypass traditional radio frequency control systems that are vulnerable to jamming. This satellite connection could enhance the precision of drone strikes and reconnaissance, while making it more difficult for Ukrainian forces to intercept these drones. For Ukraine, this development poses a significant challenge. Starlink's reliable satellite communication could allow Russian drones to operate more effectively and penetrate deeper into enemy territory. Ironically, Ukraine has also relied on Starlink to maintain its military communications, putting the technology at the center of a controversial situation. SpaceX has denied selling Starlink equipment to Russia and maintains that the service is not active there. However, reports suggest Russia may be accessing the technology through unofficial channels, raising concerns about civilian tech being used in warfare. As Ukraine faces these enhanced drones, the global community is under pressure to prevent Russia from exploiting such technologies. Although Starlink isn't officially available in Russia, it seems the system could be reaching them via third-party countries, posing a regulatory challenge for the US and its allies. Ukrainian officials have urged swift action from Washington, warning that Russian use of Starlink for long-range drone control could have serious implications, particularly given Russia's ties to rogue states and terrorist groups.